In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect emitters and drippers to your system to irrigate your plants. So this is a hole punch. We use this for actually making the hole in the pipe. So this is the right size to allow you to put the emitter in and for it to hold tight within the pipe. This is the emitter, so this is the top. You see it's got a brown top on it. The bottom is grey, and this is the bit that we're going to put into the pipe. So I'll show you how to do that now. So using the sharp end of the hole punch, I'm going to make a clean hole in the pipe, a bit of a press and pull that out. So grey end of the emitter, put it in, and press until you hear a little click, give it a little twist, just check that that's in properly. So that is now fixed into the pipe and ready to let water through. The next stage is using the small irrigation pipe, which attaches to the brown side of your emitter. Give it a little wiggle to go on. You can cut this pipe to length depending on how far away your pipe is from the plant. Then simply add the Prevo stake to the end of your pipe, and that can go in to the root ball of your plant directly.